Hello friend, now we learn the swap blend command. This command is a combination of the sweep and blend command. We can use both a sweep and blend. It means what? We can draw the one trajectory, and this trajectory we can draw the different section. So we can easily understand with the simple example. For that, open a file, new, part, OK. So for that we can sketch the one trajectory. Front plane, sketch. In this plane we can draw the one. Now we can apply the different section over this point. Okay. So for that we can select the insert, open the swap blend command. This defined for a solid, this defined for a surface. So select the solid section. We can draw the different section over this point. Okay. So select the section 1, select the point and sketch this point. Okay. So select. Okay. Now this point divide into 4 points. Okay. Okay. Now complete this section. Now insert a second section at the select the second section at this point and sketch. Okay. Now select this. Okay. Now mirror this line and close this two line. Okay. Then ellipse is made. Okay. Okay. Okay, second section is already done. Now third one section, insert section 3, at which point section 3 is done at this point. So sketch it. So mirror this line and close this 2 point. Okay. Now done. Third one section is already done. Now fourth one section, select the fourth one section, which point fourth one section is done. Okay. Sketch at the fourth. Okay. Now divide this into a 4 point. Okay. Now this is completely done. Okay. Now this way we can draw the crane hook with a different type. You can also draw the upper portion cylinder type, so you can easily understand the total drawing. Okay. Thank you.